Beautiful timing there off the front foot. It's racing away. The fielder out in the deep has some... Perfectly timed.
It just looks so easy.
Smacks that away through the gap.
You can't fault the bowling. Sometimes your opponent is just too good.
Really playing all their shots that over. Very expensive. No point chasing that one. It is racing to the boundary.
A poor delivery. And
just drifting onto the legs and driven away. Lovely shot.
a lovely shot off the back.
Great shot. Nice and compact on the front foot. Head was perfect. Oh my, that's racing away.
Being able to...
Beautiful timing there off the front foot. It's racing away. The fielder out in the deep has some serious... Nicked it. The bowler looks really confident. Out. Nice shot. Cut away. Running towards the boundary. That'll take some chasing. Smacks that away through the gap.
Just
beats the field with a great shot. Really playing all their shots that over. Very expensive. Good catch. Out. Massive outside edge.
well, didn't time that at all, but
Thick edge. No, that's racing away. Out, straight to deep long on. Didn't have to move at all for that one.
a good time. Caressed that nicely through the gap.
Oh, now then, that's high in the air. Batters should get a few here.
That's just a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets on.
Gonna come. Beautiful timing there off the front foot. It's racing away. The fielder out in the deep has some... Well, now, that could be out. Out of the ground. That's a tremendous shot. Just... huge. That has flown.
Well, that was just textbook.
Oh, that's been heaved away and punished over the rope. That's a brute of a maximum.
Just be still.
Oh, that's gone a mile. That could go out of the ground. Get the fielders into the crowd. 2 on. And gone. The fielder at long off. Had to run around the boundary, but they've taken it.
Anything about a delivery.
Straight to the fielder. Trouble. Could that be out? Looks like it. Oh, great run. And caught. That's just superb. And that's the end of the innings. Afghanistan have been set a target of 175 runs. That's a boundary save for sure. Power and precision in that shot.
That races away to the boundary. A beautiful.
And a fine take by the fielder at deep cover point. It was in the air for some... over the infield with a cracking shot.
Now that's a difficult shot.
Shot. Land back and punch through the gap in the offside, and that'll be 4.
Well, that.
That's the end of a very good over. Great pressure being...
And some well-timed shots through the gaps, keeping them ahead so far.
knocks them over first. Oh my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot.
Hit that.
Oh, whack. Pick the bones out of that. It's gone for a maximum.
That's just a brilliantly aggressive shot.
Oh, that's beautifully struck. Right out of the guts and all the way.
Just missed the line.
That is huge, enormous, massive, gigantic. Take your pick.
Just text the intent they had early on. And this run chase looks secure.
Good shot, a beauty.
That's the kind of shot you just stand and...
Beats the field with a great shot.
And this run chase looks secure.
Onto the front foot, super shot, should be four.
That's an outstanding shot. Solid early.
Go through, it's high in the air, fielding coming around, but it looks like it'll carry.
Well, you can't fault that shot. It's nicely played, and it was four.
Brilliant shot there.
He was timed well for four. Gee, that was...
You can't hit the ball.
And straight to deep mid-wicket. Easy catch in the end. In the middle. The task here will be that of support and getting themselves settled into their innings.
Well, that ball has been hit.
Yeah, they've held that. Brilliant work in the deep.
So far this innings.
The right armour is coming into the attack from the bridge end.
That was a really well-timed shot off the bat that saw it early, and it was
Gone. Straight to long on. Crunched over the onside. Oh, the batter holds the pose as the ball sails. I reckon 12 deep into the crowd for a max of finding the same spot. Oh my, that's just flown off the middle.
That is a masterclass of batting. Reads the length, gets forward and dispatches that to the boundary. This could have very easily gone either way. Brilliant cricket from both sides. And it's a shame there had to be a loser.
That's all from us in the commentary box. It's been an amazing match. Hope to see you again soon.